Hello friends, welcome to Prodhat channel. In today's video, we will explain about best gift for the 5-year-old boy. Giving a gift to your little champ is always fascinating for you as a parent. At the age of 5, your kiddo will be in a school where they explore the world's social and emotional side. Your boy will make new friends and will be involved in cognitive learning. Good toys can help your boy learn new things in fun ways. Before buying, there are few things to consider. Let us understand them, one after the other. First of all, let us know what are types of products that are available. Riders, sliders, and tricycles. Gardening and sand kits. Art and craft toys. Role play or social skill development toys. Building blocks or stacking toys. And so on. Let us jump into the features and factors that needs to be considered before buying the products, without any delay. The first feature to consider is to develop motor skills. This is the perfect time for your little boy to focus on holding a pen and start writing and selecting the toys that can build their finger muscles strong. You can opt for the toys like stacking blocks, Play-Doh and colored clay, drawing board. The next feature to consider is to improve eye and hand coordination. Drawing and stacking toys can help your boy to get good coordination between their eyes and hands. Building blocks with specific design can help them to strategies for shape formation. It will also improve their imaginative skills. The same can happen to draw as well, and they can learn about colors and understand the importance of focus. The succeeding feature to consider in this list is to improve the mental simulation of the child. At the age of 5, your boy must get the mental simulation while playing with his favorite toy. At this age, you can give the ability to improve their logic. Toys like Color Sorter are the best example for this. The next on hand feature in this list is to buy toys that can make them creative. Role play toys and experiments kits for 5-year-old can do wonders to improve the creativity of your little one. They can play with bead kits, flower making kits, sculpture making kits, and card making kits, etc. These creative kits can help your kid develop an excellent base to get the best future. The next factor is social interaction. Sharing toys can surely develop the positive social interaction ability in your young man. While playing together, they develop the skills of leadership, building strategy, and cooperation. Even they can learn basic skills of problem solving with your guidance. The upcoming factor in this list is education in a fun way. There are many toys available for educating your kin. Educational toys for a 5-year-old boy are specially designed to develop their math and English skills. Your kid can learn counting and vocabulary with these educational toys. The next approaching factor in this list is engagement for a long time. Playing with toys is the better option as compared to spending time on TV or mobile. Your little munchkin can learn new things and give you some spare time for yourself. Even you can accompany him in some games and become his best game partner. After knowing about all the features and factors that need to be considered before purchasing this product, let's now jump into the things that need to be avoided in these specific products. The first thing that must be avoided here is BPA free. Do not buy toys that are not BPA free. Toys made with cheap plastic can be toxic and risky for your champ's health. The second thing that must be avoided here is small parts. Toys with small parts can be dangerous and life-threatening for your little kiddo. Do not buy such toys that come with smaller pieces, which can fit your kid's mouth, nose, or ear. Always keep your supervision while your kid is playing with any toy. The third thing that must be avoided here is strings. Never buy a toy with long or loose string, as it can be so dangerous for your little boy. The fourth thing that must be avoided here is sharp things. Avoid buying a toy with sharp edges or made with glass, as these toys can be hazardous for your boy. It can pinch their hands or any other body part and can hurt them badly. The final thing that must be avoided here is toys with paint. Many toys come with chemical and harmful lead based paints. Kids have a habit of putting everything in their mouths, and toys with chemical paints can harm them. We have selected the top 4 products that are best and available in the current market based on the above listed factors. The first and foremost product on the list is Einstein Box Birthday Gift for 4 to 6-year-old boys and girls, for ABC. The key specifications of this product is educational. The recommended age to use this product is 5 to 6 years. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The following second product in our suggestion list is the Aditya Multicolored 72 pieces Mega Jumbo Happy Home House Building Blocks with attractive windows and smooth rounded edges building blocks for kids, 72 blocks game. The key specifications of this product is building blocks. The recommended age to use this product is a 5-6 years. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The final product in our bucket is Play Pen Fun Magnetic Shapes, Senior Type 2 with 58 magnetic shapes, 200 pattern book, magnetic board, and display stand. The key specifications of this product is shape. The recommended age to use this product is 5 to 6 years. To know more details about the pricing details of these products, visit the link given in the video description box. To know more details, check out our blog. The link is provided in the video description box. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos.